voices rise in tender tone, filling hearts they've never known. Strings and laughter drift along, carried by a timeless song. Every note a soft embrace, moving through the water's grace. This is where romance takes flight, sailing in the silver night. Tradition sings its sweet refrain, bringing joy that feels like rain. Harmony in every sound, lifting dreams from solid ground. Serenade of calm delight guides the soul through peaceful night. Echoes dance on shifting waves, stories told by those it saves. Old world charm within the air, binding hearts with gentle care. Though the song may seem like play, its warm magic lights the way, where connection grows anew, woven in a world of blue. This is where romance takes flight, sailing in the silver night. Tradition sings its sweet refrain, bringing joy that feels like rain. Harmony in every sound, lifting dreams from solid ground. Serenade of calm delight guides the soul through peaceful night. Shines brightest when the heart listens gently.